Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the C75 Cake keyboard. As you can see we have this pink, pastel pink contrast with white. It looks absolutely great. It's a 75% layout keyboard and this is the box for it. It's quite a fancy looking box. We have those ribbons right here, YUNZII branding on the top, and on the back have another layout of the keyboard and pretty much some manufacturer information. It says that it has a 3-mode wireless connection right here, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. It probably comes with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle that you can connect to any device, that being laptop and PC. We'll get to that in a bit. And yeah, this is how the box looks like. I'm gonna go ahead now and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As you can see, we have a lot of accessories and a lot of extra stuff, so we'll go through them one by one, and we will start with the small stuff first, as always. And we have right here a welcome pack. Basically, you open this envelope and you'll have all this stuff in here. The first two are like a quick user guide and a user manual right here. We have a user manual with pictures. It will tell you everything you need to know about the keyboard, how to connect it, how to use it in each mode, like the wireless, wired, and Bluetooth mode. I think with Bluetooth mode you can connect it to a couple of devices and you can quickly switch between them. Again, everything is right here. So I would suggest you give this to a read. It will help you understand how to use the keyboard better and basically how to get the most out of it. You have this nice cake welcome card. It says where art meets next level typing. We have a set of stickers, a set of cakes and ice creams. This is pretty nice. They included this. They have also included 2 spare switches, the same switches you will find in the keyboard. We have a pink braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is used to charge the keyboard or use it in wired mode. We have a keycap and a switch puller. This is pretty basic. Most of the keyboards include this, but it's pretty nice to have because the keyboard is hot swappable. You can customize your own switches, your own keycaps, whatever you want to do, you can do it with this tool right here. They also included a set of keycaps, which they're pretty nice. Let's zoom in into them. Command and Option are for Mac, if you want to use it or change the spacebar. They have a nice weight to them, so they seem pretty high quality. They have included a mouse mat. Right here it's cake, a cat cake, kitty cake, whatever you want to call it. It looks like a cupcake more. I think it's pretty nice. I don't see many keyboard manufacturers include mouse pads, and it also seems that it has good quality to it. It's thick. And we have the keyboard itself right here, which as you can see comes with a dust cover. And if we take the dust cover away, we'll have the keyboard right here. We have a cute face right here on the top. On the sides we have silicone sides, probably RGB. We'll see when it turns on. 2 hearts on the top, USB Type-C connection, and mode selection. And pretty much that's it. Silicone on the back. Yeah, that's what you get. I'm gonna go ahead now and connect it to my PC, and I'm gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up. To connect it was super easy. Basically, when I showed you the switch right here, so you switch it to wireless mode, you take the dongle, which you will find under this silicone pole right here, wireless dongle right here. That's actually pretty clever and also looks really nice. You find that and you connect it to any available USB Type A port in your PC, and basically the keyboard will work straight away. As you can see, that silicone side has some lighting effect. It looks actually really cool, and yeah, it will work straight away. Basically plug and play. When you do that, it's actually super responsive as well. So when you press your Windows key, as you can see, straight away, and the keyboard actually sounds absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get as close as I can with the camera to the keyboard so you guys can hear how it sounds like when you type. So let's do that now. Yeah, it sounds absolutely great. I love everything about this keyboard. It actually looks super cool, especially with the hearts and everything on the rubber side. And we have this face that lights up as well. It's pretty nice, especially that it's also super customizable. You can get your own keys, your own keycaps. You can make it sound however you desire, but out of the box it feels and it sounds absolutely amazing. If you guys want to buy this, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.